One of the first and most critical parts of installing gutters is creating fall or slope that will ensure that water always moves towards the downspout or spouts. For ideal drainage, you want about 1 inch of fall for every 20 feet of travel. If the fascia board is level, as it should be, you can simply measure down from the edges to a starting point, then move down the fascia 20 feet and make the mark an inch lower. Connect the marks with a chalk line to create a guide for the top of the gutter. These do-it-yourself gutters come in 10-foot sections which are seamed together with a special bracket and sealant. 1/2 of the seam can be on the ground before you hang each piece. The mounting brackets can also be snapped into place on the ground. Once the gutter section is aligned with the chalk line, drive the long screws attached to each bracket into the fascia board of the house to hold it securely in place. Then the next piece slips into the seaming bracket and the process repeats until you reach the end of the area to be covered. Here, an end cap is crimped in place using the same gutter sealant we used on the seams. At the downspout locations, we trace the outline of the flange that will connect the gutter and downspouts so we can punch through it with a sharp chisel. Then we finish off the curves with sheet metal shears. Next, the flange goes in from the inside of the gutter with more seam sealer to waterproof the joint. From there, it's simply a matter of connecting necessary downspout pieces to turn back to the wall and down to the ground. Each of these pieces has a male and female end, so they slide together before a sheet metal screw secures them together.